What is the conditioning of Ishwar? Maya. And conditioning of Jeev? Ignorance. But inside, both are one. If you remove the conditioning, with conditioning, there is no match. This sometimes, these devotees, etc., they say these Vedantis, they say, I am Ishwar, I am Ishwar. They have not heard properly anything. Vedantis will never say that I am Ishwar. They say after removing the conditioning, what remains is the Ishwar. You are never you can be Ishwar because he is omniscient, I am alpiscient. We don't know spelling of omniscient also. He is omnipotent, I am alpipotent. We are never saying, Vedanta will never say Jeev is Ishwar. When here it is said Jeev is Ishwar, it means after removing the conditioning of RM3 and RM6. Don't ask what is RM. Reflected medium. 3 reflected medium were on the top, 3 were on the bottom. If removing the reflected medium, what is remaining? That is called consciousness. I hope it is clear. One who knows this, na tato vijugupsate, he doesn't have sorrow after that. Why? Because he knows himself as unconditioned self. Gopayatum ichhati abhaya praptatvat. Bhashakar writes. So gopayatum ichhati. So na gopayatum ichhati. When he has that thing, 4th mantra you see, so he need not have to protect himself. I am going for, because he knows that nothing can kill me. Like that person, that saint. There is no other element than me to kill me. Here I am identified with the body, therefore I feel body can be killed and will be removed. Body will die. It is a question of few years before and after. Body though, it has to pass through. It has to die. It should die also. Others should get a chance. So because of lot of problem around the body, na vijugupsate, na gopaya. After that, he doesn't have to protect himself. Why? Gopaya does not protect himself. He doesn't protect. Shrutam me gopaya. In the morning you chanted. That means what you have heard, let you, God, please protect what I have heard. You are praying in Medha Sukta, Shrutam me gopaya. Why? I hear everything, let it be there in my mind. It should not be that I forget everything. Etad vaitat. Etad vaitat. He has nothing to protect after that. Kya hai? Body is a prarabdha, will take care of the body. You will get the food, what your prarabdha is there, what your destiny has designed for you, you will get that food. Prarabdha means destiny. If your prarabdha, if your destiny every day kheer is there, you will get the kheer. Right? In your destiny you have done some good actions in the past. So every day, morning, evening, badhiya kheer hai, as much as you can take. Every morning, evening kheer you have. Nice kheer is there. It's a prasad. Shivji has touched that. What more you require in life? Yahi prarabdha hai. In the house, once in a while, kheer is there. Here, every day, kheer is there. Sometimes pasta was there yesterday with the white sauce. So, what else is required? So it is written. After that, after knowing this, na gopayatum is there not to protect. Similarly, those saints are there and they don't bother. Where's the next food? They see if the God is given the body, you will get the food. What will you do? I will meditate. I will sit down under a tree. And he is sitting down like that. He is sitting like that. A snake has come now. Where? Around the tree. Snake is sitting like that, seeing the snake. The snake is not afraid. The snake will bite the body, not the Atma. Because Atma and the snake and my snake both are one. Snake's atma and my atma are seen the snake and are seen me. Both are different. But if you take out the RC of the snake and RC, my RC, both are OC only. So what is the problem? Both are one. Why you are taking the upper crust and defining yourself by the upper crust? I hope you are understanding. So this is the oneness. Fifth mantra was the oneness of Pragyaneshwar. Next verse. Sixth, seventh and ninth is the oneness of Bolo, Tejas and Ishwar. Hiranyagarbha. Okay. What is that? Yaf purvam tapaso jatam. You have to pronounce half. Yaf. You have to say like Yaf. Half. Yaf purvam. I told also, no? Om Hara Namah Parvati Pate. Make it more accurate. Not that Om Hara Namah Parvati Pate. He has not gone through Sanskrit training. Or going to training. Make it finer. Om Hara Namah. Between Nama and Pa, half first. Yaf Purvam Tapaso Jatam. Adhyaf Purvamajayata. Guham Pravishya Tishthantam. Yo Bhute Bhirvyapashyata. Etadvaitat. Again, Yaf Purvam Tapaso Jatam. Adhyaf Purvamajayata. Guham Pravishya Tishthantam. Yo Bhute Bhirvyapashyata. Etadvaitat. Acha, you have been hearing about Hiranyagarbha. What is the etymological meaning of Hiranyagarbha, as I told? No, etymological meaning. Anybody will tell? Hiranyam. Huh? No. What meaning I gave? I had told also. Huh? 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 Again? Garbha is ante. Omniscience Hiranyam means sarvagyatvam. Garbhe means ante yasya. Sarvagyatvam ante yasya. Omniscience is inside which? Sarvagyatvam garbhe ante yasya. You have to keep all these things in mind, by how many times shall I repeat it? Sarvagyatvam, omniscience is inside whom? Don't say golden womb. This is not communicating anything. Hiranyam means gold. Does gold means all knowledge? Okay. And ante means inside. So if you remember, many times is this Hiranyagarbha, if you don't understand, you will never understand who is Lord Shiva, who is Lord Krishna. Because they are manifested form of Hiranyagarbha. You will never understand the Lord also. I had told many times, there are three powers in us. One is called Kriya Shakti, power of activity. Ichha Shakti, power of desire. And third is Gyan Shakti, power of knowledge. Supposing you walk. Walking is, which Shakti is in walking? Only Kriya Shakti. All three are there, right? You walk, that means you started power of activity, you had desire to walk, and you had a knowledge of where to go or how to walk. Then this is there. So every activity is with three Shaktis. Okay. How much? Little Kriya Shakti. Can you run? I can run from here to temple. That too when I'm late. And I'll jump here and there. Can you here to RK Khan? Can you run? Me? Huh? No, I can't run so long. I'll fall down in between. I'll faint. Who will take care? No, hospital is close by. So one person was driving. He asked one pedestrian, "Listen, I want to go to the hospital. Where is it?" He said, "Just close your eyes and drive. You will be there." So there is something called Hiranyagarbha. It's very interesting. Today also it amazes me. Really? Yes. Why? Because this Hiranyagarbha is such a thing. What outside world is made? We have a small. There is one big Hiranyagarbha in which macrocosmic power of knowledge is there, power of activity is there, and power of desire is there in a thought form, in a power form. And from that only everything is manifested, because unless power is there, you cannot have matter. So matter is preceded by the power. Macrocosmic. How many knowledge are there? Every knowledge is there in that. Knowledge of mathematics, physics, science, chemistry, biology, geography, botany, zoology, anthropology, apology, all kind of knowledge is there. All medical science, everything is there. All knowledges. Therefore, very earlier days, if somebody was too dull student, or even not dull, brilliant also, so what? Kya kare bhai? Like Panini was there. Maheshwar Sutra is not taught. No? You will hear Maheshwar Sutra. I hope you will hear. Maheshwar Sutra will be taught. I, un, ru, look, e, om, I, ouch, hai, varat, tan, jamang, jamang. You will be taught like that. You are the dull student. So with Guru was teaching every day, e, he forgot every day. Some students forget. He used to work hard. Not that he was lazy and he didn't work. In the room he used to work hard, but he forgot every day. Gayatri mantra he couldn't chant. So after 3-4 years of his struggle, one day Guru called me, said, "Haan Gurudev, well, I don't think so. You are meant for chanting and you are meant for Sanskrit learning." So small boy, 8-9-year-old. He said, "Why?" He said, "Because there is no line of education in you. Vidya Rekha is not there. Palm, there is a line of how much knowledge you will have. I think you should go for some agriculture work." That boy was very sad. He saw everybody studying. Those who don't work hard and they are not able to say that, it's not that category. Lazy people. He went. After 5 minutes, he came 10 minutes. Whole hand was full of blood. He cut his hand. The knife. He said, "Now that line is there." The Guru got very melted. But imagine how much he must have desired to study. Guru said, "Beta, never mind, you will definitely learn. You will go in the Himalayas and do Vipassana of Lord Shiva there. He will give you knowledge." When person has faith, then he becomes a tapasvi because he follows the Guru's word. Alone doing tapasya is very difficult, but somebody does, and then he went to Himalayas and he did austerity of Lord Shiva. And one day Lord Shiva appeared and he had Damru in his hand. And then Damru he made one sound of them. That I was a dumru ayur eum ayot havarat lan javang jabagada huh? Kha pha cha tha tha chatataba kapaya shasara hal, and he gave all knowledge to him. This Panini is not same boy now. He started writing big sutras, aphorisms. You will hear some of that. Please don't, even if the course is over, you keep on joining that. We'll continue. And have faith that you can learn it. Don't lose faith. You know, there is a book called Ashtadhyayi. He wrote it. Today, whole Sanskrit grammar is based on Panini. It is called now Panini. On his name, the grammar is called Panini Vyakaran now. 8 years you have to study, then you can know that. Not for you, those who have to study that book. He became such a big stalwart. Why? Because the knowledge which was in Hiranyagarbha, he propitiated Shivaji in the form of Hiranyagarbha. It clicked on him. This is Hiranyagarbha Upasana. Okay. What I said, omniscience is in whom? So all knowledges are there. I am weak in mathematics. He can give mathematical knowledge also. Yes. This Ramanujam was there in India. Great mathematician. There is a film also has come about on Ramanujam. I think you can see later on. From Ramanujam is one film is there. I don't know what is the heading of that. Huh? Very simple man. Big things. They all at grace of God. So in whom, therefore we always say, thought struck me, it occurred to me. Occurred from where? There is a big thought. Occurred from where, sir? That is Hiranyagarbha is there. And from that Hiranyagarbha only sun comes. How many desires? Thing can be produced. He is the one in Acha. Hiranyagarbha is away from the world or permeating the world? Permeating the world. Hiranyagarbha and your subtle body. Subtle body is a part of Hiranyagarbha. Tell me, that Hiranyagarbha goes through a subtle body or not? Therefore, Bhagavan knows everything about you. Not only he knows, he records. Everything is video recorded along with the audio. All thoughts he can reproduce. Even if you have thought it 20 years back, he can bring it back to you with the video clip. Well, this is how you were. My God. Hope he doesn't tell to anybody. No, this God, you know what he does? Supposing you are doing something, he is very clever. What that thought about your good and bad, both actions, he puts in other minds. Quite a tricky God is there. You cannot be saved. Supposing you are doing something wrong, all alone, he puts that thought in others' minds so that he can trouble you. He will expose you. Or if something good you do secretly, that also he will put in somebody else's mind so that he can honor you. Nothing can be hidden here for a long time. If it is you are doing something too much, little you can hide. If you do hardly 1.2 mala, you can hide it. But if you are doing 100 mala, it won't be hidden. Slowly people will know, I think he does lot of japa, I think. He does lot of... You cannot hide too much. Only this person is very intelligent. You cannot hide that. This person is dumb, number one, foolish. So that also cannot be hidden. So it will ultimately be exposed. Okay. Now please tell me, this Hiranyagarbha has come from where? This Hiranyagarbha has come from where? Huh? This Hiranyagarbha is preceded by what? What was Hiranyagarbha? Huh? One person. Ishwar. Like my thoughts are coming from my impressions. We are mini Hiranyagarbha. Local. Like local artists are there. Some are international artists, some are national, some are local. Some are colony artists. Some are house artists. Some are bathroom artists. काफी लेवल है भाई उसका भी. Bathroom singers are there, no? You don't sing song when bathroom you are taking bath. You don't sing one. In India they sing. When especially the water is very ठंडे ठंडे पानी से नहाना चाहिए, गाना आए या ना आए गाना चाहिए. If summer is there and cool water, nice you feel. At that time you sing some film song. So that is a bathroom artist. He is. Ask him to sing in the temple, he can't sing. Well, in the bathroom you are singing so much. टेम्पल सिंगर है. हरि ओम शुरू होगा. इंटरनेशनल आर्टिस्ट नहीं है. लाइक हिम, व्हाट इज हिज नेम? सरजीत सिंह. अरिजीत सिंह ना. नहीं लेटेस्ट वन अरिजीत सिंह ना. अरिजीत सिंह नहीं है यार, वो नहीं है. दैट मुस्लिम पर्सन. वो क्या नाम है उसका? अरे नहीं जी, क्या नाम है इसका? ए रहमान. अदनान भी है. अदनान ये नहीं है, इंटरनेशनल आर्टिस्ट है. हम आश्रम वाले हैं. और कोई some are not, they can't even sing in the temple also. Already crowd is less, people will go away. So from the Ishwar comes Hiranyagarbha, and from the Hiranyagarbha comes 5 elements. तो बात हो गई. थर्ड पॉइंट, दिस Hiranyagarbha pervades my subtle body as I. Same Hiranyagarbha goes through my subtle body also. And one who sees this Hiranyagarbha as one, when I say Hiranyagarbha, this Tejas is one with Hiranyagarbha, it means what? After removing the conditioning of thoughts, microcosmic and macrocosmic, what remains is the consciousness that I am. Okay, so what is written here? Please see 6th verse. Yaha purvam tapaso jatam. That here purvam means earlier. Earlier than whom? That earlier tapasaha. Tapasa means what? Here tapasya doesn't mean physical tapasya. That Ishwar thought, that is his tapasya. He thought what he thought. Let me become many. And lo, thoughts came. This is the tapasya of the Ishwar. So before tapasa, Ishwarasya should be there. Yaha purvam Ishwarasya tapaso jatam. From the tapasya, 5th case, from the tapasya of the Ishwar that is born. Who? Hiranyagarbha. Clear, no? Number 1 point. Number 2 point. Adbhya purvam ajayata. Adbhya means 5 elements. Who is before 5 elements? Before 5 elements, that means the grosser word has come later on after Hiranyagarbha. So Hiranyagarbha is between Ishwar and 5 elements. Okay. Then Guham pravishya tishtantam. It enters. Guham means subtle body or buddhi. If he has entered the subtle body, tishtantam, he is situated there. Yo bhute bhihi vyapashyata. Bhute bhi, surrounded by the gross body. He is surrounded by the gross body as if he is surrounded by, as if a subtle body is surrounded by the gross body. Vyapashyata, one who sees that. This etat is for close atma, tat is for hiranyagarbha. This atma is that hiranyagarbha. How? Taking out the conditioning. So three descriptions of there of hiranyagarbha. One is one who's first born. Second is after that is five element, and third is who is permeating my subtle body. This is the hiranyagarbha's description, and that hiranyagarbha I am. That means this Tejas is hiranyagarbha after you remove the conditioning of the microcosmic thought and the macrocosmic thought, then that I am. That means that macrocosmic big infinite thought body, it is having the background of that macrocosmic thought body, substratum of that is Atma. So this Atma is not localized Atma. I am not a local Atma. I am the macrocosmic Atma. No. In which macrocosm and microcosm both are imposed. That Atma I am. Okay. Let us see is it okay, no? Difficult? Very easy. So what are you doing? What you want? I want you should not think you are surrounded by this body. You mean to say I am the one who is Hiranyagarbha? No, you are not the Hiranyagarbha with the conditioning. After taking out the thought, what consciousness is that you are. You are not the Hiranyagarbha. So you are the essence of Hiranyagarbha. You are the self which is not bounded by this body. Where are you? I am in Durban. How are you? Very bad. Last 3 days was not good. I think stars are not good nowadays. Acha, Shanichar has come here from somewhere. My mind is not good nowadays. Why? I don't know. You are hearing to satsang, etc. Yes, I am hearing. I agree. It's my fault. I don't know. Last 3 days have been very, very bad. Very sad. Why? I don't know. I just feel like crying at times. Feel like crying? Yes. Don't spoil the pillow, okay? So, I just feel like crying. I cry. Then I sleep after that. Therefore, you're late. So, I don't know what is going on in my mind. I can't understand. I feel very low at times. Blood pressure, did you test? It was high. So why don't you take medicine? No, I don't want to take medicine. I just feel like being alone. I feel very lonely at times. I just close my door and just cry. I can't cry for too long. Why? I don't take so much salt. The tears don't come out. So क्या है, क्या हाल बना के रखा है? You are the one background behind Hiranyagarbha. And you are acting like such a small fry. ये कोई बात है? Essence of spiritual life is that you are a very happy person. How much jap you do is not a problem. Point is, you should be at the end. You should be cheerful. You should be full of glee. Ghee? Not ghee. I am saying full of glee. You should be full of life and light. No, you put on all the light. No, not that light. Inside light should be there. In your mind also light should be there. It's quite dark inside. Oh, sorry. I'll try. Sorry. I'll try to be more cheerful, more good. I will read all the shlokas. Yes. Don't be very close to this RC. I'm telling you repeatedly, I'm telling you. Don't be close to your life. Don't be close to this person which you call life. This is a mad person. Don't be close to any mad person. This is a mad guy sitting here. Where? Inside here. Who complains, who shouts, who is angry, who is very happy at times, who is jumping very high one day very low, one day lie down. Don't be very close to this mad person. ये पागल बैठा है अंदर एक. You are that infinite consciousness in the light of which everything is shining. That is the Hiranyagarbha. And moment you get close to this RC, Jeev, you will have a lot of problem. It will bring all the sorrows and show to you. All the time sorrow. Some complaint boxes are there. Some are always eternally sad. Don't be very close. Problems are there. Keep problems at distance. Keep at distance. Don't come. If you see this book too close, you can't read it. If you come too close to your problem, you can't sort it out. This is our problem. You have become too close to your mind. You are identified with your mind. Therefore, you are not able to sort it out. Keep the problems in distance, then you can sort it out. When the patient comes, patient doesn't climb on the doctor. The doctor says, please be at distance. Don't come on my lap. Please be there. Why are you coming too close? And I'll put a mask also. And he'll put a gloves also. The patient will put mask and gloves, everything. Okay. Why? I don't want to have contact you. Okay. And after using that, he will throw away the gloves also. Okay. What is the problem? Please tell. Don't come close. Don't come close. No, doctor, I have fever. Okay. He is not very close. His attempt is to treat it. Doctor is not very sympathetic. His attempt is to treat it. Okay. 3 times a day I have fever. What makes it? He will write it. Okay, go and take medicine. Send the next one. Listen to me. I already listened. No? 15 minutes I gave to you. No, I love you. I also love you. Go. 25 patients are there. Doctor, 1 minute. In your prescription, you have not written love. It is not a letter, it is a prescription. Don't trouble me. RX you have written at the name, you just signed without love. See, this is prescription. This is not a love letter I am writing. It's a formal prescription, you have to show it to the pharmacy. Acha, okay, don't love me. Don't come very close to your success, failure. I was dishonored, honored. See, I have nothing to do. I am just playing what gods want me to play. Guru has given me a job. God has given me a job and I am playing with it. And how to act? Yetu sarvani karmani mai sanyasya matparaha. I am acting just to please my God and Guru. Nothing. This is another way. That means surrendered RC is there. Either in the Vedanta you are leaving RC and being in OC. Either you have surrendered RC. Don't be independent, separate, crystallized, egocentric, sharp RC which is not surrendered. Unsurrendered RC, not coming close to OC is a hell. You don't need another hell. इसी को मत जिए इस लाइफ को. Don't be after this life. Oh, don't shout. I'm already afraid. I'm a very fearful person. Okay, we'll see more tomorrow.